Everyone, the Festival of Lights just got over, and still the flavor is on. Keeping this in mind, I come back to all of you with a set of idioms of light and also a few phrasal verbs based on light. Now, these idioms and phrasal verbs, they would be of great use to all high school students up to class 12. So, please pay attention. The first one that comes to my mind, an idiom on light at the end of the tunnel. This is a very commonly used idiom when you are through a long phase of difficulty, and finally, when you see that there is some hope of coming back to light, then we say light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so it means sign of hope after a long period of difficulty. Another common one using light is give the green light. Now, give the green light is almost like give the green signal, that means grant permission. The third one that comes to my mind is in the light of something. It means under consideration. Suppose you hear something or you read something, and in regard to it you say something. Okay, so talking about something, or understanding something, taking into consideration certain things, that is called in the light of something. Then we have a phrase, idiomatic phrase, light fingered. Now, light fingered means a person who is prone to stealing. So, beware of light fingered people. Okay, so a person who is prone to stealing, light fingered. Another one, a very commonly used one, is light heart. Now, let me ask you, what does this idiom mean? Light heart. Okay, get back to me with the meaning. Yet another one is in a new light. In a new light means from a different perspective. Okay, suppose a theory which is already proven is once again analyzed, once again discussed in with a different perspective. So then we say in a new light. Okay, so these are the set of idioms, and as I told you, light heart, this idiom, you should know the meaning and write in the comment box the meaning of the idiom light heart. Well, now it's turn for phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs are actually asked in exams in the form of prepositions or suitable words, and students often get confused about whether to add up or out or on or upon, because the meanings are so close and very confusing as well. The only respite, the only way that you can understand it is to remember. Frankly speaking, there is no other trick in which you can come to the correct preposition. So only thing is that you have to remember. And how will you remember? If you practice and practice. Okay, so let's discuss a few. The first one, light up. Light up means to become illuminated. Okay, for example, light up the darkness with a candle. Okay, so you make it illuminated. Light up means to become illuminated. Next one, another meaning with light up, that is to become happy. Okay, her smile lit up my day. Okay, so to become happy with a smile, light up. Next phrasal verb, light out. To leave or run away suddenly or in a hurry. Light out. Okay, so think of a sentence where you can use this phrase, light out. Then, light a fire under someone. Light a fire under someone. This is quite indicative, when you are spurring action, where you are inspiring somebody to act, you are making someone to work faster. Okay, for example, the boss's intrusion into the project was like lighting up a fire under the staffs or under the employees. Okay, so light a fire under someone means to spur into action or make someone work faster. Then light on. Light on means to discover something. So sometimes by chance, okay, maybe as I was going through the files, I light on an old autograph of a celebrity. Okay, so to discover something all of a sudden, light on. As I told you that you could try out a sentence with light out. I have already discussed the meaning. Once again I repeat, light out means to leave or run away suddenly or hurriedly. Think of a sentence and write in the comment box. Thank you.